Atherosclerosis is the thickening or hardening of arteries caused by plaque buildup along the artery walls. This condition is also referred to as clogged arteries. Because of this, blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body is restricted. Atherosclerosis is a leading cause of heart disease, such as coronary artery disease, the most common type of heart disease in the USA. The chances of developing atherosclerosis increases if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, high LDL cholesterol, consume a poor diet, engage in a sedentary lifestyle, or have a family history of atherosclerosis. However, on the other hand, maintaining a well-balanced diet can help minimize the risk of clogged arteries, which we'll talk about that balanced diet in this video. So stay with us until the end because there is one food that most people don't know about. Number 1. Beets. Nitric oxide is produced nearly by every type of cell in the human body, and it is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes the inner muscle of blood vessels, causing the vessels to widen. Beets are a rich source of nitrates converted to nitric oxide in the body and improve blood vessel function, decrease inflammation, and help prevent atherosclerosis. Recent studies have found a link between dietary nitrate intake and reduced risk of atherosclerosis. Number 2. Berries. Berries include strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Berries are rich in vitamins, fiber, minerals, and plant compounds. These include flavonoid antioxidants that help to boost heart health. These fruits are known for impressive heart benefits, including their ability to minimize inflammation and improve heart function. Studies have shown that eating berries reduce the risk factors that can cause atherosclerosis, including LDL cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Berries may help prevent clogged arteries by lowering cholesterol accumulation, protecting against cellular damage, and improving artery function. Number 3. Oats. Oats help reduce high levels of total and LDL cholesterol. An antioxidant component in oats called evinanthramides inhibits inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which prevent atherosclerosis. Oats are an excellent choice for those trying to prevent clogged arteries or those who have atherosclerosis. One study concluded that people with coronary artery disease who consumed oat fiber regularly had lower levels of LDL cholesterol than those who did not eat fiber. Number 4. Leafy green. Leafy green vegetables are packed with potassium, which helps prevent vascular calcification, a process that contributes to atherosclerosis. They are also a good source of dietary nitrates, which improve blood vessel function and avoid inflammation. Research has found that consuming green leafy vegetables can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 15.8%. Number 5. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Flax seeds contain SDG compound, an anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering lignin, whose properties counter atherosclerosis. The soluble fiber in flaxseed absorbs water in your intestine and slows down the digestion process, which helps in regulating blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, which may prevent constipation. Number 6. Onions. Onions contain sulfur compounds that help prevent inflammation of blood vessels, inhibit the clumping of platelets in the blood, and increase nitric oxide availability. All these functions protect against atherosclerosis and improve artery health. Studies have found that a higher intake of allium vegetables like an onion is associated with a lower risk of death caused by atherosclerosis. Number 7. Fish. Fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce the expression of cellular adhesion molecules that are proteins, whose function is to allow cells to stick to one another and their surroundings. Our body releases these cellular adhesion molecules in response to inflammation. which is the reason behind clogged arteries. According to studies, those who ate less than 1 serving of fish per week have more chances of atherosclerosis than those who ate 2 or more servings of fish per week. Want to know more about the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids? Then check out our video on taking omega-3 fish oil before bed and see how your body changes. Number 8. Beans. Beans are packed with fiber, and it is essential to eat fiber-rich foods to prevent atherosclerosis. Eating beans is an excellent way to keep cholesterol levels in check and reduce the risk of clogged arteries. Beans also lower blood pressure, improve artery function, decrease the risk of diabetes, and all these effects help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Number 9. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are packed with a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like flavonoids. Flavonoids decrease inflammation and prevent free radicals in the body from oxidizing LDL cholesterol. This oxidized LDL is associated with the development and progression of atherosclerosis. That is why citrus food consumption is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Both of these conditions link to atherosclerosis. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. We are not giving you medical advice, and so you should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button to view more upcoming Create Cure content like this.